Iran's most dangerous fighter jet was built by the United States. That's right, America sold it to them decades ago. Now that same jet is aimed at US pilots. Today we compare every jet from both air forces. USA first. Let's start F-22 Raptor. The F-22 Raptor is the best air superiority fighter ever built. Stealth technology makes it invisible to radar. It flies at Mach 2.25 without afterburners. Thrust vectoring engines let it turn tighter than any other jet. Iran has nothing that can detect the F-22 on radar. Nothing. The only problem, the US only has 186 of them, and they're not making more. The F-35 Lightning II is America's most advanced multi-role fighter. Over 1,200 are in service. It fights other jets, bombs ground targets, and gathers intelligence. Its sensors see enemy jets from 300 kilometers away. Iran's radar cannot see the F-35, but there is one weakness. Iran's MiG-29s can track the F-35 by its heat signature. We'll get to that later. F-15EX Eagle II. The F-15EX Eagle II is a brand new version of the classic F-15. It does one thing better than any other jet. It carries missiles, 22 air-to-air missiles on a single plane. That's more than any other fighter in the world. One F-15EX can take on an entire squadron of Iranian jets by itself. Iran can see it on radar. But surviving 22 missiles is nearly impossible. F-16 Fighting Falcon is the backbone of the US Air Force. Over 900 in service. It's not stealthy, it's not the fastest. But it's reliable, cheap to maintain, and there are hundreds of them. Iran's Air Force has nothing that can match the F-16 in a dogfight. The F-16 has shot down over 70 enemy aircraft in real combat. 0 losses in air-to-air combat. That's a record Iran cannot touch. FCA-18 Super Hornet is America's carrier-based fighter. It launches from aircraft carriers in the Persian Gulf. It can fight other jets, bomb ground targets, and hunt enemy ships. Iran has no aircraft carriers. The Super Hornet gives the US the ability to strike Iran from international waters where Iran cannot touch the carriers. This is a massive advantage. B-52 Stratofortress first flew in 1952. That's over 70 years ago. One B-52 carries 70,000 pounds of bombs and cruise missiles. It launches attacks from outside Iran's air defense range. Iran cannot touch the B-52. Meanwhile, the B-52 can destroy Iran's air bases, radar sites, and missile launchers from complete safety. This is the plane that makes Iran's air force useless before the fight starts. B-2 Spirit. The B-2 Spirit is America's stealth bomber. It costs over $2 billion per plane. Only 20 exist. But each one can penetrate Iran's most heavily defended airspace undetected. The B-2 can destroy Iran's underground missile bases. It can kill Iran's nuclear facilities. Iran has absolutely no defense against the B-2. They cannot see it. They cannot track it. They cannot shoot it down. Now let's talk about Iranian Air Force F-14 Tomcat. The F-14 Tomcat is Iran's most famous jet. The United States sold these to Iran in the 1970s before the revolution. After that, America cut off parts and support, but Iran kept them flying by cannibalizing some planes to keep others alive. The F-14 carries the AIM-54 Phoenix missile. Range is 200 kilometers. That's longer than almost any US air-to-air missile. In 2022, an Iranian F-14 locked onto a US drone. The drone ran away. An old jet from the 1970s made a US drone flee. MiG-29 Fulcrum. The MiG-29 Fulcrum came from Russia in the 1990s. It's a 40-year-old design, but it has one trick: an infrared search and track system, IRST. The F-35 is invisible to radar, but it is not invisible to heat. The MiG-29's IRST finds the F-35 by tracking its engine exhaust. Once the MiG-29 gets close, the F-35 stealth advantage disappears. Iran doesn't need to win a dogfight. They just need one lucky shot. Su-24 Fencer. The Su-24 Fencer is not a fighter. It's a bomber. It carries anti-ship missiles. Iran modified some Su-24s to carry the Khalij Fars missile. That missile hits ships from 300 kilometers away. Here's the scenario. And Su-24 takes off from a hidden base, flies low under radar, pops up, launches its missile at a US aircraft carrier, then runs away. Can US defenses stop every missile? Probably not. That's why the Navy stays far from Iran's coast. Mirage F-1 Iran also has the Mirage F-1 from France. These were bought from Iraq after the Gulf War. They're old, they're not special, but they carry Exocet anti-ship missiles. The Exocet is famous for sinking British ships in the Falklands War. Iran has about 20 of these. They're not a game changer, but they are one more threat. US Navy commanders have to think about Yasin, the suicide drone now. Here's what NATO secretly fears. Iran has a homemade jet called the Yasin. It's a small trainer aircraft. Iran converted some into unmanned drones. They're cheap, slow, and disposable. Cost is about $500,000 each. They are designed to crash into American drones. A US MQ-9 Reaper drone cost $100 million. If one $500,000 Yasin kills one $100 million Reaper, Iran wins that exchange. Iran doesn't need to win the air war. They just need to make it too expensive for the US to stay